So um, let's start off with the euro dollar and pay attention for this video because it's very important. So the last Wednesday we had the Fed Reserve interest rates announcement, okay, which was pretty important. We have seen also last week the uh, Iranian American agreement to end the war, and they have said that it's going to take extra 30 and 60 and maybe more. So this is an ongoing issue, but it has settled down a little bit. Okay. So for the euro dollar, which has moved dramatically last Wednesday, bearish, despite the fact that the Fed didn't decide to lower the rates or anything. But this was a normal move for the options contracts to terminate some of them. So this I have talked about the euro dollar several months ago. For I have been talking for a long time now for about the euro dollar. I said that it has formed five elliott waves here, and since it has moved sideways. Okay, where it's going to go from this point? I see here a very strong support level, as you can see it here. Okay, very strong support level. So that if in order for the price to go lower, something has to push it downwards. Okay, this is number one. This is the daily chart that I'm talking about. So something has to push it downwards. Something has to be uh, something from the Fed, something from the war, or something like that. My belief that it's going to go back upwards to the at least to the that level, the level of 1600s. Okay, this is not an advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts and how I trade myself. Okay, so I believe that this is going to go upwards now, but it's going to be hard to go higher than that because as you can see, the price has moved under the moving average for a while and it has retested this. So probably this is going to be up for a while, then it's going to go down, uh, find a chance to break the support line and go lower. I believe it's going to go 61.8% retracement to the 108, 109, around that. So this is for the euro dollars. There is another very important chart here that probably you haven't noticed and nobody has talked about. It's the pound dollar. Okay, so this is the daily chart for the pound dollar. Do you see this rising wedge? This is the importance of this channel, is to show you stuff like that you will never see it in any other channel. So please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. So the price here is touching the lower band of the wedge, and it's a very pivotal point. If it breaks under it, it's going to go parabolic bearish. If not, it's going to bounce back upwards. I believe it's going to bounce back for a while before it drops back to the bearishness. But at least I'm not long on this pair. Okay, at least I'm not long. I'm not going to catch a falling knife by buying from this point to that point. No, I'd rather to wait and see the price breaking the band here and retesting. Then I'm going to take the leap after that. Okay, another interesting topic, the Bitcoin. I know I said before, guys, don't fall in love with assets, but you insist to do so. So for the Bitcoin here, see that the price is under. I didn't. I never. By the way, I never erase any drawing I make on the chart. So if you recall, I have drawn this wedge and uh, as every when everybody said that it's going to go up, it's going to go to the moon, it's going to go to 1 million by the end of this year, I said no, this is going to fall. Okay, if you don't believe me, go back to the older videos and you will see. So I have drew this. Okay, I assume that it may go choppy in this area, but it went very fast. And the price now is under all the moving averages, so it's very difficult to say that this is going to go higher from this point. What I believe that it's going to be choppy between this 72 and 62. It's going to be choppy for a while. Later, if it has broken the support level, the very obvious support level here. Okay, this is very obvious support, strong support level. Okay, so if it has broken this one, if it broke this one, I'm going to continue shorting, but I'm waiting. And remember, trader should be like a sniper, someone who's waiting for the right moment to shoot. Okay, you're not a foot soldier, you are a sniper. In the same context, the Ethereum, I have spoken about this many times ago. I said that the price, I talked about it from here. I said that the price is going to go lower. Everybody said, all the experts on CNBC and Bloomberg and so went out to say, oh, it's going to go, I don't know, 10,000 or so. I said, no, this is a repetition for that pattern. And that what had happened. That line was just like that line. If you don't believe me, just go to the older videos and check. That's why I'm telling you to subscribe. It's going to benefit you very much. What else? Okay, the price here is at a pivotal point also. It may, if it broke this, is going to, there is a great chance that it's going to go lower and lower. Where it can go, I can't tell for the moment. It depends on other factors and other correlated assets. But so far, I'm definitely, I'm not going to buy from this point. Okay, there is no catalyst for the price to go higher, and even more than it needs much more power to break through the moving averages and go higher. I believe also it's going to be choppy, like same as the Bitcoin, and finally we will see. You know, a couple of weeks from today, we will see whether it's going to go upwards or downwards. It depends, but at least on the medium term, this is going to be choppy. Okay, I don't want to make the video longer than that. Wait for a big announcement next week or next video. It's about a course that some have asked me to do. It's going to be a very important course, but just wait for the next video when I come out with the details. Thank you very much for now.